Let's take a break, a breather from politics for a moment to continue our conversation about laws and exactly what allows the suspect in the Park Tavern crash to now be transferred to a sober living facility while the families of those affected are still in deep grieving.
2 people died, 9 were injured after police say Stephen Bailey crashed into Park Tavern last month. The Hennepin County attorney said his blood alcohol level was 4 times the legal limit. Before the tragedy, his records date back to 1985, when court records show he got his first DWI conviction in Wisconsin. That was followed by 4 more. He lost his license twice. And later this month, Bailey will leave jail on conditional release and go directly to a treatment facility.
Everybody has a right to conditional release.
Thomas Gallagher is a criminal defense lawyer and has handled numerous DWI cases. He says the Minnesota Rules of Criminal Procedure has 2 main public policy goals.
One is to ensure that the defendant, the accused person, will not become a fugitive. The other one is to protect public safety.
So in this case, do you think that's something that the judge considered and is reflected in that conditional release?
Oh, yes, clearly. The condition of being released to treatment, alcohol treatment. Another condition was the ankle bracelet that senses alcohol.
Under the United States Constitution, we don't just lock people up before they're convicted.
Attorney Mike Bryant says while conditional releases are to be expected, there is something unusual here.
When I looked at the conditions, he's not allowed to drive. His lawyer is supposed to take him directly from being released to a treatment center.
He says that detail in particular shows the judge did take into consideration Bailey's history.
If he violates it at all, if he drives once, if he doesn't go to treatment, if he doesn't do things, he gets thrown right back in, and it's unlikely he'll get out again before trial.
Bailey's history shows he has in the past completed everything the state and court asked of him after his last 2014 arrest.
You want people to have some ability to rehabilitate themselves. You know, that's part of society. I mean, we don't just throw people away and throw away the key. It's a horrible, tragic situation, and they're trying to figure out what happened.
Legal experts say this is all part of the process.
We have reached out to Bailey's representation. They did not respond. Jana?
Yeah, and the process is important to point out. That was our intention here. We don't hear about it in every case, and whether you agree or disagree with it, to our audience, we just wanted to let them know kind of how it works.
Right, regardless of someone's history, still innocent until proven guilty.
Thank you so much, Sammy. We appreciate it.